There is one thing every creator despises so much or hates so much, that is getting stuck when it comes to generating amazing video ideas for YouTube or any other platform. And in this video today, I want to share with you one of my secret weapons that have been helping me generate unlimited video content ideas. And by the end of this video, you will never have a problem when it comes to coming up with content ideas. So where do we begin? Let's start with telling you the secret weapon. And the secret weapon is none other than ChatGPT. Oh my goodness. It's literally my best friend. I mean, ChatGPT is literally everyone's best friend nowadays. And if you're not using ChatGPT to optimize your work, I don't know what you're doing. I really do not know. A lot of people have it or literally using it, or some people have not even heard about it. I mean, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use it because some people have it but do not know how to use it or do not know the strategies behind how to use it. Today, I'm going to review all of that to you. So make sure you watch to the end. So that's right. Today, we're looking into how to use ChatGPT to optimize your work, generate amazing video ideas in whatever niche you are in. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's a very powerful AI model language that can generate text, answers, questions, even write codes. But most importantly for us, it's a fantastic tool for sparking creativity. You can give it a prompt and it will give you back ideas, suggestions, and even outline your videos. This is what the app looks like. You can download this on your Play Store, your App Store, or wherever. Now, let me tell you another secret. The difference between you and another creator who uses ChatGPT to come up with ideas is your prompts. A lot of you might not understand how important prompts can be. And if you don't know, prompt simply means instructions that a user provides to the AI model to generate a response. For example, write a very short poem about a cat. Now that's a very direct prompt right there. So the key to generating or getting great ideas from ChatGPT is crafting an intelligent, nice, effective prompts. And there is no way we can talk about you coming up with nice ideas in ChatGPT without the right prompts. Now let's get started. You want to be as specific as possible. You want to tell ChatGPT everything about what you want. For instance, the targeted audience, your niche, your target audience, and the type of videos you normally create or you typically create. Right now, I'm going to use my channel as an example. Don't mind me, I like to get friendly with my ChatGPT. That way I kind of feel like we're having a conversation or like we're friends, we're best friends. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the prompt I just showed you, and I will say I create videos about productivity and personal branding. Please give me 10 video ideas for my YouTube channel. And as you can see, it's generating tons of ideas for me. A lot of ideas are being generated in just few seconds, and I can choose which one I want from all of them. Now let's take a look at this ideas generated for me by ChatGPT. How to build personal branding, step-by-step guide, 5 morning routines of highly productive people, the power of consistency, how small habits lead to big wins. Time management hacks for busy entrepreneurs, creating a personal brand on social media, do's and don'ts. And as you can see, it even gives you some things that you can say on there. How to overcome procrastination and get things done. Really nice. Content creation for personal brand, planning, producing, and publishing. Top productivity tools every creator needs. Wow, I love that one. How to network, How to make your personal branding stand out in a crowded market. Oh my goodness, these are great ideas, I must tell you. Look at those. I can choose to now I have up to like 10 content ideas. This has even given me a content idea right now. Let me know, guys, which one would you guys love to see down in the comments. I would love to create something from this list. ChatGPT will give you a lot of ideas. Now it's time for you to, you don't just take the ideas and run away. No, it's time for you to refine and filter them. Not every idea will be a winner. Not every idea will resonate with your audience and you. So it's time for you to use your brain and just look through the ideas and be like, okay, which one do I think? Whereas ChatGPT has already made everything easier for you by bringing out tons of ideas for you to just choose from and be like, okay, I feel like this one resonates most or best with my audience. This one aligns with my brand the most, and this is what I feel happy or I'm genuinely interested in creating. Also, look at the search volume on these topics to know if you're on the right path. All right, great. So let's look at some great video examples or video ideas that ChatGPT has already generated for us. And yeah, look at them. Great ideas. So after finding a video idea that aligns with my audience and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help me create a script. And as you can see, it has just created a script on top productivity tools every creator needs. And as you can see, it has a hook. You see that? You have a hook, you have the intro. It gives you everything you need for your video. Now it's gonna give you some things you need to say in the video, like the productivity tools like Trello and Notion. Notion is a good one. Google Calendar, a very nice one. Grammarly, Canva is absolutely beautiful. Asana, I really don't know what that is. Loom, you see, I don't know what that one is. ClickUp, great. Evernote, and the nice one, Zapier or so. Then it gives you an outro. So once you have your script idea, you can now tweak it to however you want, add and subtract some things that you want to be in the video. So if I'm going to be talking about the script, there are a lot of amazing tools that I know about, so I'm going to add it in and remove some that ChatGPT has suggested for me because I don't really know much about it. So with all that being said, here are a few extra tips to make most use of ChatGPT. Experiment with different prompts, be specific and direct, refine and edit your ideas. Never you be afraid to mix and match ideas. Always add your own touch and creativity. So that is literally it. You now have the tools to generate endless streams of video ideas with ChatGPT. This is a game changer for every content creator, and I'm literally so excited that this is actually existing because it has made my work so much easier. You know, the things that I would literally sit down for hours trying to brainstorm, ChatGPT has just made it easier. All I have to do is just go through it and, you know, mismatch ideas and come up with it in my own creative way, which is amazing. I know I have this little beef with AI coming up with mad creative tools, but in a way I love it, and another way I'm like, don't take our jobs away from us. But I don't know, if you want to see videos I've made on AI, you can see this video next here. Go over here and watch the next video. Okay guys, so go out there, brainstorm, use ChatGPT, use it. It's an amazing tool, so use it to its max and come up with creative amazing ideas. Honestly, I cannot wait to see what you create. Let me know down in the comments what you think about ChatGPT, what you think about it. I would love to know. Okay, please like this video, it helps me out a lot. Like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Even if you don't subscribe, just like it, give it a thumbs up, please guys. And also turn on your post notification if you don't want to be missing out on videos like this. And please subscribe. Road to 20k. Your subscribe might just be that button that might actually take us to 20k. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Mwah.